Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to add the payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or manual payments in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites, and next to the website that you want to add a payment gateway on, click on Edit Website. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and first switch from Website Builder to Online Store. In my case, I don't have an online store yet, so I will click on Add Store. And just like that, my store is created for me. Now click on Manage Store. And once you're in the store management area, click on Settings, then click on Payments. As you see, since my company current location is Morocco, I only see manual payment. The first thing that I recommend you is to switch to United States in order to see at least the Stripe and the manual payment. But here, in order to see also the PayPal payment gateway, you need to go back to the settings page. And here check for the currency, and it should also be switched to United States dollar. Just search for USD, select it like that, click on save. Now that the current online store is United States, the current currency is US, and yes, it's the USD. Go back to the payments page, and you will see that you can enable the local Go, which is a payment gateway, also PayPal, Stripe, and the manual payment. First, let's see how to connect your PayPal account to start receiving PayPal payments. Click on Connect. Here, fill in your PayPal email. Click on Next. You will land on this login page, fill in your PayPal. Here, I forgot to explain to you that the PayPal that you should connect should be a PayPal business account and not just a PayPal personal account. If you only have a PayPal personal account, it is super easy to switch it or to convert it to a PayPal business account. Simply go to YouTube, look for how to convert my personal PayPal account to a business one. After that, fill in your PayPal business account email here, the password, and hit login. As you see, you're all set. You're linked to Hostinger International Limited and ready to take payments on your site. Click on Return to Hostinger International Limited. And you will go back to the Hostinger store management area. And as you see, now I have this message enabled next to PayPal. As you see, I am ready to accept payments with PayPal. For the Stripe, it's the same thing. Click on Connect. Unfortunately, I don't have a Stripe account, so I can't show you how to connect it, but I think it's pretty much similar to PayPal payment gateway. For the manual payment, if you want to add it, click on Add. Then call it, for example, now give your payment method a name at checkout, for example, pay cash on delivery. And for the payment instructions at checkout, you can use, for example, please have the exact amount ready when your order arrives. You will pay directly to the delivery agent, no online payment required. Now enable payment method at checkout, click on save. And as you see, manual payment added. Now let's see how those added payment gateways looks like on the checkout page. So for that, I think I don't have an account. Yes, publish in editor. Update website to publish this payment gateways change. Let's view my site live. Go to store, click on add to bag, checkout. And this is how the payment method looks like on the checkout page. If you select pay cash on delivery, you see the added instructions. And this is how to add the payment gateways like PayPal and or manual payments on Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.